We at the University of Utah think every day about how we're preparing students for their futures and their lives. These students will live, work, and continue to learn in a digital economy. They must be prepared with the tools that they need to succeed.
In Utah, we have a real booming tech sector. Digital is in our DNA here. There is high demand for students who bring digital skills and are able to apply those into very technologically focused endeavors. A lot of companies like Atari and Adobe and Pixar have their roots here at the University of Utah, where their founders were students. The initiative with Creative Cloud is really about having a common tool set for students as they go through their educational career. What if we were to license Adobe Creative Cloud for every student? How would that help us take them and the creativity that is innate in them and give them the power to express that and turn that into works that we haven't even anticipated?
Students are arriving to our campus with a lot of digital literacy skills already. We want to help them take those skills forward to the next level, meeting the needs of Utah and beyond.
With the move to the cloud, Adobe really opened an opportunity for us to think differently about how we deploy software across our university. One of the greatest values that we've seen in working with Adobe truly is the Adobe Creative Campus notion.
The opportunity to be a creative campus and have that designation has allowed us to connect with other universities like us, to learn from them, to share best practices.
We're working very closely with the product team to create a seamless integration between the class learning management system and the Adobe Creative Cloud, so that when a student does have an assignment in class that they need to complete with an Adobe tool, it's simply one click, they're signed in, they do their work, and instantly can submit it back to their class.
We have a very strong mandate from our state to help Utah's thriving economy continue to thrive in the decades ahead. It's talented graduates with digital literacy skills that will drive that success. That is a valuable opportunity for a university, and it allows us to succeed as the university for Utah.